Let's take a look at service operations. Services differ from goods in several ways. First, goods are produced or made, but services are performed. In other words, services are almost always labor intensive in that someone typically has to perform the service for you. Second, goods are tangible, but services are intangible. Third, services are perishable and unstorable. If you don't use them when they're available, they're wasted. Because services are different from goods, managing a service operation is different from managing a manufacturing or production operation. The key concept behind the service profit chain is the internal service quality, meaning the quality of treatment that employees receive from a company's internal service providers, such as management and so forth. How employers treat employees is important because it affects service capabilities. When mistakes are made, when problems occur, and when customers become dissatisfied with the service they receive, service businesses must switch from the process of service delivery to the process of service recovery. Unfortunately, when mistakes occur, service employees often don't have the discretion to resolve customer complaints. Now, however, many companies are empowering their service employees. When things go wrong for customers, how well does service recovery work? 69% of customers see quick resolution of their problems as central to good customer service. Either way, roughly 9 out of 10 customers will tell others about their poor customer service or how you fixed their problem.